It's beautiful, Ma.
Your anniversary is coming. You should have something new. Men are stupid. हम सबके साथ हुआ है. You just have to carry on. You have your work. You're doing so well. Focus on it. Focus on having a baby. This will all pass.
आदाब अर्ज है। बिटिया की विदाई पे आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद हमारी तरफ से। हमें बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई है जान के।
अरे बेटी हम खो नहीं दे रहे हैं, बेटी के बद में बेटा पा रहे हैं।
बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई है
बेटा।
जान के।
देखो भाई, हर पिता चाहता है कि इसकी औलाद तरक्की करे। अब विशाल का फ्यूचर तो ब्राइट है, और फिर ये मिलन जो है ना, दो परिवारों को नहीं है, दो पार्टियों का है ना?
We need people like you. Vocal. बड़ा ही टाइट आर्गुमेंट था आपका। वंडरफुल।
पर ट्रेजेडी ये है कि इस माहौल में आपके साहस को शाबाशी नहीं मिलेगी। रूलिंग पार्टी आप जैसे पे सख्त नजर रखे हुए है।
का हिस्सा बनने की बेहद खुशी है।
अरे ये तो अब राष्ट्रीय जन सेवा पार्टी के जमाई राजा हैं।
I think she's drugged.
Homosexuality in India is nothing new. Intolerances. We have temples with carvings that depict both men and women engaging in sex with the same gender. So I ask you, whose culture is this?
तुम गए थे ना?
How was it?
Oh, it was fantastic. The students really loved him. It was really nice.
India finally decriminalize homosexuality? The question remains. For further updates, stay tuned. We will be right back.
Hi. Jazz, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, welcome home. I'm so glad you could make it. Come on in. Let me get you a drink. This one, come. You know, it's so nice that you could make it. Kabir's been telling me Jazz is so much fun, and I was like, dude, you have to call her home.
मुझे लगा ये कबीर का घर है।
हाँ है। We live together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, baby. Oh, thanks.
ज्यादा ही फॉरवर्ड हो रहे हैं लोग। भारतीय संस्कृति का उल्लंघन है ये, कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। अरे इन्हें पता ही क्या है भारत के इतिहास के बारे में? विदेशी सभ्यता को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। इंडिया में ये सब नहीं चलेगा। भारत माता की
Why are you doing this to me? Let's talk. Yours forever. Nawab?
So, is that how homos talk to each other?
लेटर तो नवाब ने लिखा है ना? How does that make me gay?
अच्छा, so love सिर्फ उसकी साइड से है?
Of course, dude. I'm straight.
Hey, Bhatia.
Oh.
What is this?
और कोई नहीं मिला था क्या?
I hope you're not going to fuck us in the backside.
So you like Karan, huh?
Nawab is a homo.
Nawab is a homo.
Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo. Nawab is a homo.
Not picking up.
This outfit is for Qawwali night, but we have to fit it.
Hi, morning.
Hi, hello. Hello. How are you doing?
Good.
Hello.
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 Ma'am, your dresses?
Can I help you with something?
No, I'll try it myself.
Tara, have you seen my phone?
No. Does it fit fine?
हो गया ठीक से?
चलो
कुछ और ट्राई कर लेते?
Wouldn't you want to try some of the other?
फिर देख लेंगे हम बाद में. I think she left her phone
That's mine. Where was it?
inside. I don't think she tried it.
She made a call.
Really? Call करके देखो.
Hello.
Hi, this is. Dude, something's very off.
अरे अब एक फूल सूंघने के तो 10 साल लग जाएगा एक ही शादी में।
पार्टी लीडर का बंगला साहब, चेकिंग तो होगी।
अरे तो अपना स्टाफ लोग को ट्रिपल कीजिए। अरे ये भैंचो क्या छुतियापा लगा रखा है रोज-रोज का ये।
डोरा रे डोरा मेरी प्यारी डोरा जल्दी से सो जा जल्दी बड़ी हो जा दूल्हे राजा आएंगे दुल्हन को ले जाएंगे।
हाय, तो दुल्हन कहाँ है? दुल्हन आप हो या डोरा?
मैं नहीं, मेरी नूतन बुआ है दुल्हन।
और बुआ जी कहाँ है?
वो कमरे में लॉक है।
तो लॉक क्यों है? चलो खेलते हैं उनके साथ जाकर।
वो खेलती नहीं है, सिर्फ रोती रहती है।
मैं खेल सकता हूँ डोरा के साथ। ये लो, मैं ये डोरा के लिए।
It's too big for her.
I know it's too big for her. It's just when she grows up, it'll fit her. So save it for her.
When she gets married.
This is for your Nutan Bua, okay? As she is getting married, okay? Where's the place for this? That's perfect. You put it here, and you promise you're gonna give it to her. Huh? The secret between the three of us? Pinky promise? It's gonna be our secret. Three of us. Okay? Go.
go.
Nutan ji is the best wife I could have asked for. She belongs to the world of politics. She's seen the life. People say that I have it in me to be the next PM of this country. And I think me and Nutan can make this pair, and we have this coalition on the government, and we can together. क्या हुआ? ठीक है ना?
नहीं वो सब ठीक है. I just meant.
What?
What I'm asking you, how do you feel about her as a person?
As a person.
As a human being, what do you?
As a human, correct? Yeah, sure. As a person, she's lovely, and she's.
बैटरी चेंज करता हूँ मैं एक सेकंड.
हाँ, बैटरी चेंज कर लो. I'll just take a smoke. Wait.
जी.
Relax, it's okay. Okay, just keep saying good things.
So you can't smoke inside here. पूरा equipment है ना मेरा तो.
तो जला ली.
Just say she's great. She's got a good personality. She's got a.
Hello, Vishal sir.
Hello.
आप एक बार देख लेंगे?
Can we do this later?
Yes, sure.
Jazz, वो बैटरी पकड़ा दे यार.
I'm not your assistant.
What is that? क्या था वो?
It's just a battery.
Nutan ji is wonderful, bright, and vivacious. She is full of questions and intrigue, and I think her energy will always complement mine. Jai Hind.
I'm really sorry.
About what?
I messed your life up.
No, you didn't. My life is awesome.
You were getting married. अगर हमारे बीच कुछ नहीं हुआ वो था तो शायद.
Wasn't meant to be. Hey, it's not your fault. I'm the one that should have stayed away.
All those things Natasha said about you.
I don't care.
I do. वो सच नहीं है. पता नहीं, I just feel so responsible.
Hey. Don't be crazy.
You're a really good person. I want you to be really happy.
Marry me. Marry me. In case you didn't hear the first time.
We have a big game coming up today, and we have to win it. Raman,
sir,
तुम आज सेंटर खेलोगे.
Forward. वो bro, तेरी तो promotion होगी यार.
Sir, Nawab?
Nawab has left the school. He has gone to study in Woodstock, in Missouri.
Did you know about this?
Okay, boys, on the court. Let's go. 5 minutes. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Let's focus on the game. What the fuck is Dora?
Who's Dora?
Are her doll?
This is your informant. You're relying on a 6-year-old.
And her doll.
Baba, where's Dora? Baba, where's Dora?
She died.
See? She's alive.
Really?
Yeah. Or she needs some sunlight. Pakdo.
They're forcing her to marry Vishal. They don't want her to be with me.
Why? Because you're a Christian.
Yeah. And because I'm just an engineer. Last time she called, she was slurring. Nobody can meet her. All our friends have tried. Obviously, I can't go to the cops.
Why not?
Then sister committed suicide. Because they had her boyfriend killed.
What?
Yeah. Nobody knows about this. The whole news was squashed. They just said that she had a chemical imbalance.
Where are your parents?
In Cochin. They have no clue about any of this. I don't know what to do. I don't know if there's any... Can you help us? Please. I'm just scared that she's going to do something to herself.
Fucking scary.
It's fucking Delhi.
John should call the cops.
Cops are not gonna do anything. He's some random guy.
Yeah, so he can take his friends, make a tamasha, call the press. कुछ तो करना चाहिए.
क्या कर सकते हैं यार? Do you have any idea how powerful these Yadavs are? Who's gonna mess with them? They'll fuck you up.
So no one can do anything.
Only the ruling party can bring them down.
You think Nutan will kill herself?
ये हाँ ये ठीक है ये पहना देना ऋषभ ये ठीक करवा लेना हाँ वो करवा देना बिल्कुल वो जो कंगन उसकी सांस नहीं भेजे वो कहीं विशाल के 3 है सांस में दी थी वो उसमें 3 होने चाहिए तीनों के 3 पहना देना हाँ और वो चाची ने वो नहीं इसमें नहीं हो सकते वो बहुत बड़े हैं अलमारी में चेक करो
क्या हुआ कुछ नहीं आंटी वो लाइट सेटअप करो ना 1 मिनट लगेगा बस हो ही गया
अच्छे फोटोज लेना
बिल्कुल ऑफ कोर्स
आंटी सीटिंग प्लान में काफी कंफ्यूजन चल रहा है एक बार चल के देख लीजिए
नहीं मैं फोटोशूट करा रही हूं
5 मिनट लगेंगे अभी होम मिनिस्टर ने कंफर्म किया हमको बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा उनको कहाँ बैठा है
तारा मैं मैनेज नहीं कर पा रही
आंटी मैं ये संभाल लेता हूँ
हाँ बस आप आश्रम में देख के आ जाइएगा ना आंटी।
रुको एक मिनट। रोहिणी, रोहिणी, जल्दी आओ।
चले
जूस पिला दो, 1 मिनट। एनर्जी आएगी। जूस पी लेना और तुम यही खड़ी रहना। हाँ
चले।
हाँ चलो जल्दी। इतना मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे तुम लोग।
दीदी एक काम करो, आप ये पूरा घूमेगा ना ऐसा कैमरा 360 हो जाएगा, तो पूरा आप इधर आ जाओ, साइड पे आ जाओ। वो पौधा है ना दीदी, उसको एक सीन वो पत्ता उधर लेफ्ट करना। हाँ वो पूरा गमला एक सीन लेफ्ट पे कर देना। हाँ नहीं लेफ्ट वाला। हाँ इसको You send me from the table if you want, okay? And दीदी लेफ्ट वाला छोटा वाला, and be ready tonight, okay? Perfect.
हुआ नहीं अभी तक।
हो ही गया, बस वो 1 सेकंड लगना ना, अब तो पोर्ट्रेट लेना है बस। And ready? Perfect. Done. आ जाओ। हो गया आ जाओ। आ जाओ आंटी, आपका लेते हैं।
मेरा?
और क्या, और किसका? आ जाओ।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Yes, my child. Is there something you want to say?
ये what? समझ नहीं आया।
अगर कोई बात हो जो बोझ सी हो, बोल दो. And seek the blessings of the Father.
बात तो है पर पता नहीं।
Fear not, my child.
Are you smiling at me?
Praise the Lord.
तुमने कभी कन्फेशन किया है?
नहीं। तुमने?
Just to be first time. कभी मैं तुम्हें बहुत लाइक करती हूँ। मैंने जस्ट अभी रियलाइज किया।
I really like you too, Jazz.
हाँ बट तुम मुझे पसंद करते हो। तुम लव करते हो उसको?
क्या लव हो?
ओके।
You're welcome.
सो पलक ढाप तो हेलूं ना मैं देखूं गैर को न तुहे देखण दूं हेरी सखी मोरे
आप ही के कौन से माइनॉरिटी की
हेरी सखी
Let's go.
चलो.
मैं तो खड़ी थी आसी लगा काजल बिंदिया कंगना सजाए काजल बिंदिया कंगना सजाए
हेलो बॉल के हाथ में खोल दे
पिया घर आए मोरे पिया घर आए मोरे पिया घर आए लाख माशूक नजर आए सरापा जादू लाख माशूक नजर आए सरापा जादू ऐसे ऐसे के जिन्हें याद के सदहा जादू
आइए ना
आइए
Okay guys, आप जाओ ना, आप इस तरफ आप आ जाओ ना, अंकल इधर आ जाइए, मैं यहाँ आ जाती हूँ, आप यहाँ आ जाओ, ठीक है ना? हाँ, अच्छा पहले इस तरफ देखना है ना?
हाँ जी, just आंटी लेंस में.
सॉरी पापा, आपको इतना परेशान किया.
अच्छा है, तुम्हें जल्दी से समझ तो आ गया हमारे लिए अच्छा क्या है.
आप चलिए, आ रहे हैं. आप क्या चाहते हैं?
मैं चाहता हूँ जो आप चाहती हैं.
I hope you're enjoying the evening.
कमाल की कवाली आप लोगों ने समा बांध दिया. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छे अरेंजमेंट्स किए ना इन लोगों ने. थक गई. I think I need my beauty sleep now.
You look as beautiful with or without the sleep.
Thank you. You will walk me to my room? Please.
चलिए.
मैम वो कुछ हिजड़े आए हैं, बोल रहे हैं दुआएं देंगे.
लेकिन फंक्शन चालू है ना, कल बुलाना.
जी. अब एक मिनट, वो वापस भेजना अपशगुन हो जाएगा ना. कहाँ से आए?
फतेह बाबा की दरगाह से.
वो यादव साहब की कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी नहीं?
बुला लो, लेकिन पीछे वाले गेट से बुलाना. ठीक है ना? उनके बिना शादी कंप्लीट होती नहीं.
जी बिल्कुल.
आपको पसंद है?
हाँ मुझे तो पसंद है.
So, you want to go now?
You want me to stay? मैं रुक सकता हूँ. We are practically married now.
He's the man I love. He's an engineer, and I am now Nutan Matthew. My father, Brajesh Yadav, was forcing me to get married to Vishal Singh. I'm saying all this publicly so that if anything happens to us, you know who's done it. If anything happens to me, please know that I haven't committed suicide like my sister. Life is precious, and I'm looking forward to living my life with my husband.
आपकी बहन का सुसाइड था या मर्डर? आपको लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ डेंजर में है? आपको लगता है कि आपकी फैमिली ये सोचती है?
वो बाहर कैसे गई? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ वो बाहर कैसे गई? उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
कुछ नहीं करेंगे यादव जी, इस बार मेरी बात मानिएगा, अब कुछ नहीं करेंगे। सारी मीडिया देख रही है, एक गलत कदम उठाया तो ये अगला इलेक्शन भी भूल जाइएगा।
So, you've taken on the ruling party, huh?
Something like that, yeah.
It's actually very brave.
I'm trying.
About time.
I never thought I'd see you again. You're married?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Happy, mundane. You?
No, no one. I'm single.
Playing the field's fun, I guess. Cheers.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
I was abused in jail. This cop, he just kept putting his fucking dick in my face, so... I'm sorry. I can't believe I hated you for so long. I can't believe I've loved only you.
Yes, put it like that.
I'm sorry.
Was that Faiza?
No, it was Jagdish from the office.
Really? Are you sure about that?
Yes. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll just be back.
Can I offer you some?
Should I get you some wine?
more wine?
Yes. Sure, why don't you pour some wine? Why don't you try some fish?
You lost your What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is all of this? What are you doing?
Faiza all along.
No, I have not. Hey,
I know you've been. Don't lie to me, Adil.
1 second. What are you talking about? What?
You've been seeing her. I know you've been going to her house all along. You've been fucking lying to my face.
I have no idea what you are talking about.
You don't?
Not in the fucking
I
slightest.
have pictures. I have proof. So shut the fuck up.
Just 1 second. One second. Can you just 1 second? Please, just hear me. Listen to me for 1 second, okay? I'm sorry. It is really complicated. We can talk. We can talk. I am really sorry. We can fix this, okay? We can. Huh?
We can't fix this, Adil.
Yes, we can.
I fucking love her. You love her. You know, you guys fit together better. You know that. I know that. You love her.
It's not.
I'm the odd one out, man.
It's not like that. If I loved her, I would have married her. I married you. Please hear me out. Come on. Don't make a mistake. Don't do something you can't go back from, okay? Don't. Just calm down.
Think you've done a fucking favor to me, right? तूने बड़ा मेहरबानी किया है ना? gutter से उठाया मुझे. You think you give me this big ass life so you can do whatever the fuck you want?
No.
And I'm supposed to keep taking it, man.
I don't feel that at all.
Of course you feel that. You do something for my sister or my mother. You give them a house, and I'm supposed to be a fucking slave.
No.
Adil Khan now, so I'm supposed to listen to you all the fucking time.
Who said you have to be a fucking slave? I have no idea what you're talking about. I married you because I love you. I'm glad that you're here. You make my life better.
I just keep saying your bullshit.
I don't.
Don't fucking break me.
I don't
I'm
fucking
talking
think that
to
at
you.
all.
It's not about Faiza alone, man. This marriage is not working. This marriage is. You fucked up.
Don't say.
I fucked up.
Yes, I fucked up.
I cheated.
Yes. Wait, what?
We're the same, Adil.
One second. When did you cheat?
It's not your fault alone.
Wait,
Both responsible for this.
1 second.
It doesn't matter. These
What
things
did you-
don't matter.
They don't matter. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It just doesn't matter. Whatever you did,
I thought it'd be perfect, you know. But if I had you, if I had this life, I'd be happy.
You will be. When do you leave? In 2 days. Keep in touch, Karan. I will.
What? You, still sleep like that? What are we gonna do?
We'll survive.
What?
Welcome to New Delhi. Insider or outsider, you will find your corner. Because the truth is, you scratch any surface, and it all comes down to the same thing. Hope. Hope for better. Hope for holier. Hope for happier. Young, old, rich, poor, modern, traditional. In New Delhi, we all wake up wondering if what heaven planned for us will happen today.